Hi everyone, my name is Inessa
and Alana.
and today we're going to make something yummy,
Real yummy,
tasty.
real tasty.
We're going to bake chocolate chip cookies. So these are all the ingredients we need. We will need flour, we will need chocolate chip, we would need butter, we would need vanilla, we will need salt, 2 eggs, brown sugar, white sugar, and baking soda. So I hope you enjoyed this video. First, we need to start the oven at 350 degrees. Need to put 2 sticks of butter. Ready for cooking, but first you will need to wash your hands. So we already washed our hands and now we're going to make
Ball.
So let's do it.
Is 10 minutes.
Enjoying our chocolate chip cookies. Now I'm going to tell you what do you like. I like this chocolate chip cookies that it has those chocolate chip things.
And I think that's gonna be real tasty.
Yeah, so subscribe
And give it a like.
and I will see you next video.